Hello everybody, I'm unboxing my cosmetics that I received today from emails from Beauty Bay. Can you see it? These cosmetics arrive like every day, they keep missing. Today I got it from Beauty Bay. So guys, Beauty Bay, can you see it? Beauty Bay. They sell cosmetics online, Beauty Bay. All sorts of can you see it, Beauty Bay? So this is the cosmetics that I ordered for like last week, and it arrived today with brush. You know, I want to start like being serious about my cosmetics. It's just that sometimes I wouldn't be bothered. You know, guys, I would look, this is how it came. This is the box. This is the box. So let me take, this is the receipt. This is the receipt. I'm not going to show you guys. This is the receipt. The invoice. They call it invoice. So this is all that came today in this box. Some of them are reduced in price though. I think it's just a couple I bought few price. The rest are like on sales. They were doing sales. That was why I bought it. You can see it now here, guys. This is the paper just to protect. And this is the for the eyelashes glue. But I don't know if I'm gonna use this because I normally buy my eyelashes from Superdrugs or Boots, so I know if my eye goes wrong, then I'm gonna hold them responsible. But I don't know, I will see. So these are what they put this one in there. Put this one in there. I was watching Sandy Naharo TV. I was, you know, she's a makeup artist where she does this thing every day. So guys, these are what I bought today. LA Girl. LA Girl. Look at it. LA Girl Pro Coverage. HD what? HD High Definition. Oh, yeah. Long wear illuminating foundation. Can you see it? Long wear illuminating foundation. That one go in there. This is a pencil as a gift they gave to me. It's a gift. I didn't pay for this one. This one was a gift. This one is graphic eye black to elf eyeliner stroke crayon kajal. Yeah, kajal, the one you put on your, like the one we do in Africa, you put under your eye. This one was free. I didn't buy this one. Then this one was coverage foundation, high coverage foundation formula, the ordinary. This one. Then this one is Match. Remy Match. They sell all kinds of products there in their website. So I bought this one. Remy Match. Remy Match what? Ooh, sorry guys. Remy Match. This is a coverage as well. This is coverage. Coverage what? I can't see properly. Coverage what? Whatever foundation it is. So this is Revolution. This is Ultra Struct and Contour Kits. Ultra Fair, whatever CO1. Browns and blush powder. Oh, look at it. Then this one is erase and boost base. It's like Cantor, is it? It's like concealer. I say concealer. Concealer. Look at it here. It's like concealer as well. Concealer. Look at it. So we're gonna go in the box here. This one was I think £3.99 or £4 from the Reduce Dice, so I bought it. Then this one is tada, is a palette. Caramel melange or whatever. Can you see it? It's a palette. It's an eyeshadow. Let's get rid of it and see what is inside. Oh, do you just see this thing? Like oh, it's like a open this one. I haven't used it before. It's like a box of a chocolate. But it's not chocolate, guys. I'm just kidding. What is this one? Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Ooh, this. Oh, look at it. Look at it. This is the color I like. Natural. Look at the colors. Caramel palettes. You got also all their names is there, written in there. See the way they pack it is eyeshadow so that it doesn't break. Selected with taste. I like this one. I choose this one because I don't want to do electric fire eyeshadow. This one is NYX Hydro Touch Hydration Powder Foundation as well. You guys will be saying, wow, she has spent a lot. Yeah, it's like this one is a Revolution Matte Base Concealer Kits. They are on sale, so I just buy them. Because I'm running out of, I haven't buy for like 2 years. So I don't buy this every year. So this is going to last me for donkey years. This one is a Revolution Pro. Revolution Pro Supreme Highlighter Metal. This one again is Revolution, Makeup Revolution, whatever. Brush palettes. Yeah, guys. This one is magnet eyelashes for professional eyelashes. Yeah. This one was on sale, so I bought it as well. Look, it's on sale. So that glue came with it. They put the glue with it. Okay, guys. Beauty Bay. This one is Revolution Pro Hydra Matter Premier. That is the one. Hydrating premiers with serum. You got to spray this one first. After cleaning your face with cleanser and toner, you allow it to, like a micellar water, you allow it to dry a little bit. Then you spray this one before you start, you know, baking your face with whatever you want to bake it with. You know. So let's see how this one look. I hope I'm putting it at the right place. Look at it. Oh, this one was about £9 something or £10. They reduce it. You just spray it or use your hand and dab it in your face before you start doing your makeup. That make it to stay. So this one is another eyelashes. This product, I like this product. This earlier they got their this product. They got different products. This make of a product. Their product is very good. Their eyelashes and their glue for eyelashes is very good. They have nail polish. Their product is a very good product. This company. So the last but not the least is the brush. All these ones are on sale, and it came with this bag like this. Different kinds of brush. I got brush, but they're all old now. I bought it donkey years now. So all these are brand new. I haven't used. They came in this set. Look at them. Different sizes for different job when you are doing your makeup. Okay, guys. And it's a wooden one. Look, this one. Like for your blushes. This one to dab in the powder. And this one as well. So you can see I've been like shopping and shopping, guys. So this is it now. These are the makeup I bought from Beauty Bay. Okay, guys. They're online. You buy them. They go on their website, upload their app, and you know, keep shopping with them. Keep checking out on them each time they are doing sales. That is when I buy. All these are really cheap. They reduce them. This caramel was 20-something pounds. Then they reduced it to £11 something. So I grab it. £22 something it was. So you see, it's a good bargain. So guys, thank you so much. And leave your comment down below the comment section and keep subscribing. And thank you. And remain blessed and keep looking fantastic ladies, and bye.